And thank you to the Budapest de Fungio String Quartet performing, of course, Joseph Haydn's Opus 76 number 1.
Can you hear me?
I'm
You need to
Mariella
switch
Foster.
your video
You can
on.
tell that because of my alluringly gravelly voice and coquettish demeanour. I'm delighted to welcome my 3 guests this evening via Zoom in these extraordinary circumstances. Firstly, Dame Kira Shepperley, Chief Artistic Director at the Sydney Opera House.
You're all right. Thanks for having me.
And tell me, Dame Kira, what are you doing in the UK at the moment?
Wouldn't you like to know? Oh, pardon me.
Ladies, can you both switch your video on?
Right, how'd you work this bloody thing? Jesus.
My apologies, we appear to be experiencing a technical glitch with my visual feed.
Ladies, please switch on your video.
Right, our next guest from the London Symphony Orchestra, Hugh Jenkins.
A very good evening to you, Mariella, and thank you for inviting me on this wonderful show.
And how are you coping with the current lockdown, Hugh?
Oh, very well indeed, Mariella. With the help of some wonderful friends and family, we all pull together.
And Professor Keith Bradwell, Head of Juggling at the Manchester Metropolitan University.
Sweet, yeah.
And you're currently touring.
Yeah, we're taking our Sonic Void project, basically experimental music to the masses.
Sounds fascinating, Keith. Well, without further ado, let's hear our first piece.
Struth! That's a corker.
It kind of says, in a real way, all you can say about the struggle of the working classes.
Reminds me of my first marriage. But, I've heard a lot of this sort of thing in the past. But, I've been with some of the finest men ever. Kerry Packer, Rod Laver, he was a lot of fun. Rod Hull and Emu, he was okay. It was a bit strange.
In a word, magnifique. That is humanity. In its starkest form. It's Beckett. It's Pinter. It's Goddard. And yet it is none of them. It screams a postmodern contempt of the modern art form.
I don't know about that, Hugh, but you can almost taste it on the roof of your mouth.
Indeed so. On to our next piece.
That's your zipper.
You can almost smell the factory, you can touch the grime.
It carries in the air like a sonnet.
Oh, yeah. To me, it's pure 1980s. This is doing a line of Speed at a Pixies concert. You haven't actually got any Speed, have you?
It's real, This ain't Duran.
It's what we like to call the pot noodle effect.
I like it.
Well, both pieces have so far been met with great approval. And now...
Oh, that's just disgusting.
Have you actually
Lord.
shat
Oh,
yourself?
Lord.
Sorry guys, that was me. I really need to...